Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start Inside Settings to remove the news feed from the lock screen. Open Settings, then tap Lock Screen. This targets what appears without unlocking. Once done, make sure screen widgets or lock screen services are visible because the feed is often controlled there. Tap the entry labeled Notifications or Widgets, depending on your model, to see items allowed on the lock screen. You're beginning the change at the source, so the feed won't reappear after a restart. Next, you'll remove the actual feed widget or disable the service. In lock screen widgets, look for Samsung Free, News, or any third-party news entry. These are what push headlines. Tap the toggle to turn it off or long press the widget and choose Remove. That detaches it from the lock screen layout. Make sure to confirm any prompts. Some phones ask to disable permissions. Once you remove it, the lock screen won't fetch or display preview headlines anymore. Finish by restarting the phone to ensure changes stick. This clears temporary data and confirms the feed is gone. If headlines still appear, go to Apps, find the News app, and revoke lock screen or overlay permissions or clear cache and storage. As a last resort, disable or uninstall the feed app like Samsung Free. If problems persist, check for a system update because OEM settings sometimes reset after updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.